With Sarabjit Kour, Nangra as well. Sarabjit is joining us from Angel Broking. Good afternoon to you, Sarabjit. As far as this news is concerned, are you looking more favorably now at the aviation pack? And within that, which stocks are catching your fancy more than before?
See, in pharma, I guess this is definitely positive news with I track that, and 70% brownfield opens up a lot of M&A activity for the sector. It's already a sector which is pretty fragmented, which is moving towards consolidation. So I guess it's a good sector with good potential in market. So FDI, 74% FDI in the business will attract a lot of money in the system. So I guess it's positive news, and definitely more positive given that most of the MNCs are cash rich and looking at emerging markets favorably.
Sarabjit, but will we see the same kind of interest from the foreign companies who will be looking at India or Indian pharma companies in a big way? Also, just to highlight the fact that, the report card of the government says that the foreign investments into pharma companies had nearly halved, as compared to the previous year. So there's been that consistent fall in FDI, in pharma space, and clearly government taking notice of it and ensuring that, there is more that should come in. Now, having seen a 24% surge, we are of course seeing the positive immediate knee-jerk reaction by these companies, but realistically, you think these foreign companies were waiting by to really come and pump in money once the sector is opened up further?
See, definitely it opens up an avenue where they don't have to take approvals, so that enhances the M&A activity, one loophole out of the system for M&A to happen. So to that extent, it will enable it. I'm not saying that it will today only M&A will start happening, because M&A depends on even the valuation at which it's demanded. So I guess it's not about whether it will catch fire tomorrow, but it's just that it will smoothen the process. So yeah, the activity might increase in comparison to what it was earlier.
Right, Sarabjit, that's where I'm afraid we'll have to leave it. But of course, we'll be tracking the pharma space as indeed the aviation space, FDI going up in both these sectors, aviation up to 100% in scheduled airlines, and we're looking at pharma up to 74% right now. This is obviously going to play out in the markets. We'll be tracking those stocks. Both Amber and Sarabjit, many thanks for joining us. From me, from Vikram, from Swati, from everyone on the team, thanks for joining us. Good afternoon.
Thanks for watching. And up next is Countdown. Stay tuned.